Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about a new off-page SEO technique which is social bookmarking. And now in this video, I will clearly explain you what is social bookmarking and it is going to be super simple. And the very first thing that I want to talk about is what is off-page SEO. It is very simple, right? Whatever the things that we do outside the website to get the traffic to the website can be called as off-page SEO. And whatever the things that we do outside the website just to make our website to appear on the top of the Google search engine results page can be called as off-page SEO. Now, how are we going to make an use of the social bookmarking, which is an off-page SEO technique? There are a lot of social bookmarking websites that are available online, and here are the list which I have placed. And even if you want to find it by yourself, all you have to do is you have to open a new tab and then you have to navigate to Google. And then you have to search for social bookmarking sites, and when you click on enter, it will directly display all the social bookmarking sites on the very top of the Google search engine results page. And here we can see Pinterest, Reddit, Pocket, Twitter, and so on. So these are the social bookmarking sites. And how are we going to make an use of social bookmarking sites as an off-page SEO technique for our website? Now I quickly would like to search for a website called Pocket, which is one of the social bookmarking sites. I want to click on Pocket. It takes me to the home page. So very first thing we have to do is either we have to log in or maybe we have to click on sign up to create an account in the Pocket website. I want to click on sign up. It takes me to the sign up page and it is going to be super simple. And if you have your Gmail ID, all you have to click on continue with Google. I want to click on continue with Google, and here I want to choose my Gmail ID, which is dilsukhnagar99830@gmail.com. And the sign up process is very simple. All we have to do is we have to click on continue so that we can agree to the terms. Now here we can see the login, and now I have logged in to the Pocket and I have landed on the home page of the Pocket, a social bookmarking website. Now what exactly this particular website does? If I scroll down a little bit, I can see a lot of articles which have been written by lot of Pocket users. I can see a lot of articles. So if I really wanted to read some article out of my interest, what I'll do, I'll click on save. And also, by the way, for each and every article we can see an option to save. Maybe I want to read this particular article later, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. What I want to do, I want to quickly click on save so that it will be saved in my profile, and it is very easy to see whatever the articles that we have saved in this particular page. On the very top we do see an option called saves, and here we can see that I have saved one of the article now and I have saved one of the article earlier. So these are the articles which I really wanted to read. Maybe I want to open one of the articles, and once I have entered into the article, if I scroll down a little bit, I can see images and I can see the content, and also I can see some of the clickable links. Now these links can be called as backlink, and also we do have one of the option where we can see view original. Now whenever I click on any of these backlinks, what does it do? It directly takes to the source page where the content has been created. And here I can see thekitchen.com. Now what we did, we read the article, we liked the article, and when we click on the link, we have landed onto their page. By doing this, they get the traffic from the Pocket, a social bookmarking site. So this is exactly how we can make an use of the social bookmarking websites to get the traffic to our website. And the very good thing about the social bookmarking website is all we need is only the URL of the blog, or maybe of the page, or maybe of the video that we have created. If we paste the URL in the Pocket, a social bookmarking website, it will convert the URL directly to an article. We no need to do anything, and I will show you the example right away. I want to quickly click this button, backspace, and then on the very top of the menu of the Pocket, we can clearly see an option where we can save a URL and where we can add it to Pocket. So what I want to do, I want to quickly navigate either to the Click and Capture Studio, and maybe I want to open any one of the blog. And here I can see that I have written 2 blogs, out of which I want to open South Indian Bridal Reception Look. I want to take the URL of this particular blog, and then I want to navigate to the Pocket, and then I will save it in the Pocket, a social bookmarking site. So what exactly the Pocket website will do? It will read each and every image, the content that we have placed inside the blog, and then it will automatically generate a new article and it will post it or publish it in the Pocket website, so that it will be read by any other users around the globe. If they like the content, they will click on the article, they will read the blog, and then they will click on the backlinks which we have placed on the blog, and then they will be landed directly on the Click and Capture Studio. Now quickly I want to paste the URL which I have taken the copy, and then I want to click on add, and once I click on add, I want to quickly do a page refresh, and here we can see our article has been published, and when I click on the article, it takes us directly to the clickandcapturestudio.com. and quickly I want to close this particular blog. Always remember, it will take maybe 2 to 3 or 5 minutes of time so that it will be aligned properly. And also, by making an use of the Pocket, a social bookmarking website, we can upload the images as well. If we did any videos on the YouTube, directly we can take the copy of the URL and then we can paste it right here. I want to navigate directly to an YouTube, and then I want to search for something. Maybe I want to search for Andrew Tate. I want to click on enter. And here I can see who is Andrew Tate. Maybe I want to open this particular video, and what I want to do, I want to skip on this advertisement, and I have landed on this particular video. So all I have to do is I have to take the copy of the URL, and we have to navigate back to the Pocket website, and then we have to click on save a URL, we have to paste the URL, and we have to click on add. And finally we clearly see a new article has been created by Pocket automatically, and it is so simple. So we have to keep on creating the articles in the social bookmarking website, so that anywhere in our city, or maybe in our state, or maybe in our country or across the globe, if anybody who reads the article, if they like the content, the chances of them to land on our website will be very high. We can improve the website authority, and when all these things happen, what will happen? Our website will be displayed on the top of the Google search engine results page. And this is what do I mean by social bookmarking. And if you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to leave a comment right below this video. I will read all of your comments and I will answer to each and every one of your questions. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, you can find the digital marketing on Edurself YouTube channel. You can find the playlist digital marketing. And also, if you want to learn digital marketing from me, you can find all the online session details right in the description. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.